that would like to do it in Goa. And not only do it in Goa once, but we'll do it every year. And therefore, I am sure that this is an annual event which will happen on the first Friday of December. The ideal time, because before you go for your Christmas vacation, and probably by then some of the fund manager would have earned their part of their bonus, so this is a good time to spend. And therefore, we'll have it on the first Friday of December every year. But idea is, and therefore, idea is essentially to let you expose to the opportunity that are available in India.
2004 गोंयांत डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून सुरू जाल्लो IFFI यशस्वी जाला. आता स्टार्टअप इंडियाचं मुखेल डेस्टिनेशनय गोवा.
How IFFI has been successful from 2004 and coming till date, every year it's an opportunity to host IFFI in the state. We will look at hosting this particular event with the Government of India every year on the first Friday, wherein Mr. Suresh Prabhu today has promised us, and this will be going a long way in making Goa a startup capital and also a capital for startup funding. Any IT industry investments, what we do, we need to have a link. We need to start. Goa is a place where this type of conferences can boost the ecosystem, not only in IT, but also allow the people who are coming, who are high net worth individuals, to come around, spend some time in Goa, spend and allow some part of the economy to grow. So I say this has all small things. When we come and make it into one portion, I think that portion is something what Goa is looking at. Making Goa as an IT destination, this was definitely a big booster for all of us.
Prudent खातीर तुकाराम मराठी.